A new windshield should be silent at highway speed. So if you're hearing a whistle or hiss after a replacement, that's not something to just live with. That thin whine you hear past 45 or 50 miles an hour usually traces to a pinhole void in the urethane bead, or a molding clip that never fully seated. Sometimes it's simply replacement glass without the original acoustic layer, which is a different issue than a leak. Either way, it's diagnosable and it's fixable. Note the speed where it starts, whether crosswind or headwind makes it worse, and which side it's coming from. A 10-second video from the driver's seat helps an installer pinpoint the source faster than any description. Don't pry at trim or add sealant yourself. That can void your warranty. A shop that takes this seriously road tests your car, runs a water or smoke test, and checks the bead and clips directly. Ask for a written inspection report and photos. Cure times vary too, sometimes 30 minutes, sometimes 8 hours or more, so patience early on matters. Wind noise deserves a real diagnosis, not a shrug. If your windshield's whistling, Collision Auto Glass and Calibration in Portland backs every install with a lifetime no-leak guarantee. Reach out for a free inspection.